Racing just started. Tiger Queen gets away immediately, rushing about the yards. That is Spring Singer. Indian Horses, Desperado, Price Dancer comes next. Getting the wide strip as they make the first turn is Better Cruz. Racing down the back stretch, we have Tiger Queen, followed now by his stablemate is Spring Singer. Then 4 lengths back in third comes Desperado. Moving upon the outside is Price Dancer. Airbender is down on the inside. Then next online is Better Cruz. Then followed by Toscana. While right here, right now racing in less than the fourth turn, we have Tiger Queen enjoying a length and a half lead. Is Spring Singer now in second. Desperado now trying to get closer in third. Price Dancer, Better Cruz, Airbender, then comes Toscana, and right here, right now, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Tiger Queen by about 2 lengths. Desperado now moving upon the outside. Last 100 meters, we have Tiger Queen followed by Desperado, and finally it's Tiger Queen, Desperado, then comes Price Dancer, Toscana, Spring Singer.
Yes, numero 2, Tiger Queen. Banderang tapos with JD Gused. Then ang segundo 3, Desperado, Price Dancer, Toscana. Yung pang-5, Spring Singer. So, panarin natin instant replay ng ating race number 7.